Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with the essentials and the first actionable steps. Sign into Yahoo and open account security. Once there, enable two-step verification and choose the Authenticator app option. Yahoo will display a QR code and a manual key on screen. Don't close this page. Leave the QR visible. Now pick up your phone. You're ready to scan. This step puts the link in place between Yahoo and the Authenticator app, so make sure you can reach the screen for the next action. Open Google Authenticator and tap the plus sign to add an account. Choose Scan a QR code or enter a setup key if scanning isn't possible. Once added, the app will display a 6-digit, time-based code that refreshes roughly every 30 seconds. This is how Yahoo verifies you. Type the current code from the app into Yahoo's verification box and submit. When Yahoo accepts the code, the Authenticator is paired and will be required for future sign-ins. So complete the process by confirming Yahoo accepted the code and then immediately save any backup codes Yahoo provides. Write down the manual setup key and store it securely. Once saved, sign out and sign back in to test the new flow. When prompted, open Authenticator and enter the code. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip is to check your phone's time synchronization setting. Authenticator relies on correct time, so enable automatic network time or resync the app to restore correct.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.